Hi guys, I welcome you back in my tutorial, 3ds Max tutorial number 14. So here is today's topic is the stair actually. So you just go to the geometry tab and go to the last one, the stairs. So when you go to the stairs, Max will give you the four types of stairs: the straight stairs, the L-type stairs, U-type stairs, and spiral stairs. So these four types are, pretty straightforward. It should behave like it sounds. So I can go to the the perspective view. So the stairs, straight stairs, you can click here and you can click here and you can click here. You see the straight stairs is like this. So you have some parameters here, so the open, close, and the box. Okay, so the close, this type of stairs. So in this you can find three types of stairs actually. Left, right. Okay, and you can also have this side option of the stairs. Okay, so this is straight stairs, guys, and now this one is the L-type stairs. Okay, you see this one is the L-type stairs. So this is open, again the close and the box. Okay, so you can have a left, right option. Okay, and a straight stairs. Okay, you see this kind of pattern you can create. So the railing, also you have the railing and basic stairs. So this is the L type stairs. Okay, and guys, this is the L type stairs, and U type actually, this one is very common for the floor 1 to floor 2. So this is again this type and this box type. So this one kind of a familiar of floor stairs from one floor to another floor. So you have the same parameter, same railing things, and only the stair shape is different. And the final one is a spiral stairs. You see, you click on that and you go up to that. Okay, you see there is a spiral stairs. So it's a pretty straightforward that this is spiral. Again you have this one and the box type. Okay, so yeah, every stairs you have three types actually, and again you have the railing and this kind of things you can tweak. So if you want to make this by scratch, by your raw hand, then it will be very time consuming, and it will take so much expert knowledge to gain this level. So you see very good spiral stairs actually. So you can tweak them according to your needs actually. So you see kind of a very good shape you can tweak. So yeah, so as we can see that four types of stairs. So we can as a recap, this is the straight stairs. Okay, straight. This is the L type stairs. Okay, this is U type stairs. Okay, and this is the spiral stairs. some sort of like this. Yeah, so you can, maybe you can tweak them. Yeah, okay, you can maybe, you can have the parameters, you can have them. Yeah, okay. So you see, these four types of stairs actually Max is offering you. This is again very handy for the, if you were working with a floor plan. This is very handy. So yeah, you can tweak this according to your needs, according to your floor plan. So again, like the tool we discussed in a previous sequence, like a window, like a wall, like a foliage, and like a stairs. These kind of assets are actually Max is giving this kind of assets for fast build the architectural buildings or a floor plan. You can use them instantly. You don't need to do it scratch by scratch. Then you can do the fast layout very fast with this help of this assets. Actually actually from the scratch, creating this kind of stairs is a very time consuming, especially this spiral one. Very time consuming and very hard, but later I will show you that how you can use them, how you can tweak them in your floor plan. So keep in mind that in the last part that you have the stairs. So four types of stairs you have. Four types of stairs you have in this section actually. So yeah. So one, two, three, four. You can use it again. You can use it to for your projects actually. So I just showed you some basic parameters you can use. So you can increase the length and height, and you can increase the floor. You can change the floor type. I mean the stairs type. Okay. So I just showed you some basic functionality. Hope you can tweak, and you can explore more and practice more. Later I will show you how to place them exactly on the floor plan. I may need some sort of tutorial for that one also. So I will show in a basic floor plan how to how you can use them. Okay. So yeah. So guys, this is by this I am ending this geometry tab. So we started from the top. I pretty much actually cover all the important elements there, from the standard primitives to the stairs. So yeah, this is actually the ending of this tutorial. So I will later come again. The next part will be shapes. Okay. So next part will be shapes. So keep supporting me and keep staying with me. And if you need anything, just ask me. You can directly ask me by a comment, or you can message me through a messenger, or email me, whatever media you can prefer. You can ask me any question if you have. So guys, thank you for now. So have Have a nice day and thank you for being with me. Thank you.